When will the Webull stock finally hit $20? That is the big question everybody's been wondering about, especially with the stock recently just getting obliterated. Now, making price predictions is extremely difficult and even analysts struggle to do so. I just want to say this is my own opinion and not financial advice. And with that being said, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So let's compare this to Robinhood. Robinhood sold off January 21st, 2022, and then it consolidated till about March 8th, 2024. That is a total of 2 years and 2 months. Now I know 2022 was a bad year, so I will be taking that into consideration. If we compare that to Webull, then Webull sold off about May 16th, and we are still consolidating. That is a total time of about 5 months so far. But I wanted to figure out what would the market cap have to be for Webull to hit $20. So the current market cap of Webull is about $5.5 billion with a share price of $12. And in order for us to reach $20 a share, the total market cap would only have to reach $10.47 billion. Last time Robinhood was worth $6 billion was in 2022, right after the huge decline we had. And then we broke $10 billion right around March 2024. But let's compare the revenues of both stocks. Robinhood's revenue finally turned positive, and it only took 4 quarters or 1 year to break out, with a total revenue of about $637 million. Webull also just reached a positive revenue, but its total revenue is about $131 million. Let's assume they can grow that revenue every quarter by about 40%. Quarter 3 2025 would be $183 million, Quarter 4 2025 would be $256 million, Quarter 1 2026 would be $359 million, and Quarter 2 of 2026 would be $503 million. This would be about the same revenue that Robinhood was when we first broke out. Now I know it's not always about the revenue, and who is to say that they can even grow it by 40% each quarter, but this is what Robinhood was able to accomplish. And if the numbers are the same, I don't see why the price wouldn't follow. So here's what I think. If we follow the comparison of the charts, we should reach $20 by July of 2027. But if we follow the revenue comparison, then it should be around July of 2026. So if we take the 2 dates and find the average, then that should be around January of 2027. That would be around 1 year and 3 months from now, most likely around the first earnings report of January or February. Now I know this can be disappointing to some of you, but we could also hit that price target a lot sooner if we get some really positive news. If something very positive gets released and shoots the price up, we can temporarily get overpriced. I really hope this happens, but I'm also okay with holding it for a few years in my long-term portfolio, just in case that it doesn't. In the meantime, I'll keep you guys up to date. But if you haven't checked out yet how I set up my trading desk, go ahead and check out that video right here. And I'll see you guys next time.